Hey, it's at the Rough Country. What's better than a mini truck? A lifted one. With Rough Country's 4.5-inch lift kit for the Daihatsu Hijet Jumbo, you can build these capable trucks with performance and personalization. The Daihatsu Hijet has made a name for itself being a very versatile and capable vehicle, but not without some limiting factors. A rough ride, minimal ground clearance, and slick tires just don't cut it for a lot of you who want it to be off-road capable and have an aggressive look. We've made a name for ourselves helping you build a lifted lifestyle, and our team has made a way for you to do that with the Hijet. Included in this kit is front, middle, rear, and engine lift blocks, U-bolts, brake line brackets, airbox drop brackets, radiator support brackets, strut shims and extensions, transfer case drop shackle, our premium N3 shock absorbers for a quality ride, and all necessary hardware for installation. This kit gives the Hijet clearance, a smoother ride, and an aggressive look, even allowing you to run 25-inch tires. Bolt on the lifted lifestyle today with Rough Country's 4.5-inch lift kit for the Daihatsu Hijet Jumbo. Available now at roughcountry.com.